sun is setting in the sky. A new day comes and time goes by. We have a plan for tomorrow. We know exactly for tomorrow. We have a plan for tomorrow. We know exactly what we will do. We will travel to Bali Blue. We will travel to Bali Blue. Look to the future, what do you see? Will and verb for you and me. Will and verb for you and me. Yeah. It shows a plan that is yet to be. Learn the rule and you will see. Learn the rule and you will see. The sun will rise so bright after the long and dark night. I have a goal I want to reach. I will practice how to speak. I will find the word want to reach. I will practice how to speak. I will find the words I want to teach. I will find the words I want to teach. Look to the future, what do you see? Will and verb for you and me. Will and verb for you and me. Yeah. It shows a plan that is yet to be. Learn the rule and you will see. Learn the rule and you will see. We will study, we will sing. The future is a wonderful thing. Now I understand the plan. It is the simple future in our hands. Yes, it is the simple future tense.